I am three colors. Red, yellow, green. Red means off, yellow means ready, green means go. Follow my rule. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Parviknesh. I am studying UKG section. I am talk about it. Amina படைத்தவர் தந்தி. He is fair and disciplined. And Amina is the hero of our nation. Bharat Mata ki jai Hind. Thank you. Very good. Good morning everyone. I am Pavitra. Today I will talk about plastic. Plastic comes everywhere. It pollutes land and water. We should not use plastic bags. Use cotton paper bags. Stop plastic use. Say thank you. I am Rangini. I am happy. Very eager. Thank you. அகர முகர எழுத்தலாம் ஆதி பகவன் முகர்ச்சியை உலகு செல்வத்தும் செல்வம் செவி செல்வம் செல்வத்தும் எல்லா தலை நன்றி. Good morning everyone. My name is I am studying first standard B section. I am a teacher. I love teaching. I love listening so much. Thank you. I am Ingrid. I am studying first standard B section. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm a farmer. My life is very simple. I go to the field in the morning. I pluck the seed, I sow the seed and go back. Thank you all. Very nice. Good morning, everyone. My name is K.V. Kalidasa Sanjit. I am a policeman. I wear khaki uniform. I maintain law and order. Keep the gun with me. Thank you. Thank you. Good next. Good morning, everyone. Do you find me? I am drop of blood. I need to everyone. Without me, there is no life. I have A groups. A positive, A negative. B positive, B negative. O positive, O negative. AB positive, AB negative. Thank you.